Hi there. In today's video, I would like to talk to you about a website you should be using if you haven't yet. It's topcashback.co.uk, a site set up in 2005. I've been using it since January 2015, and since then I've saved over £1,000. The way it works is basically you go onto the website, you can also download the app and install plugin reminding you of the cashback purchases. So you go on the website, you type the name of the retailer you want to buy from, and you are being transferred to that site, and meanwhile you are being tracked via cookies. So once the purchase is successfully finalized, after some time, you're gonna get a fraction of the spend in the form of cashback. Usually when you arrive on the retailer advertised on TopCashback, you will see how much cashback you can count on. It's worth to check T&Cs, as in sometimes they disqualify some payment methods or some vouchers. So yeah, check the T&Cs. And I think some purchases are not okay to be made via app. Again, it depends, it's case by case. So check the small print. So once we land on Top Cashback and we are signed in, you can see that in my account I currently have £242. Once you click on that, you will be taken to account overview, where we can exactly see what's happening. So £242 unclaimed money, 790 paid so far, and altogether it means £1,033.20 earned since being a member on this site. Just to see the breakdown of earnings, we can click on earnings just to see exactly what was earned where. I'm a bit of eBay addict, but there are some good cashbacks here. Go outdoors 10 quid, discover cars 8. Yeah, some holiday accommodation usually is quite nicely paid, 18.55 here. So you get the idea. So the way we get the cashback, let's say we want to book some tickets on National Express. We type National Express. We see that they are on the website indeed, and the cashback they offer is 4.20%. So let's scroll down. Let's see. Yes, online purchase via Top Cashback is gonna secure us 4.20 of cashback on the amount spent. I usually skim through the TNC, so yeah, of course, using promotional voucher code or anything, any discounts, it's not gonna make us get the cashback. What else must be paid completely, and we are not gonna get cashback on VAT, delivery, other charges. And if the cashback is not tracked for some reason, we have 100 days for making the claim. It's usually easy and done quickly. So yeah, let's do that. Get cashback now. Let's click on it. I see my computer doesn't want to cooperate with me. So as you can see, the new window opened, and voila, we can start buying whatever we want to buy. And once we finalize the purchase, the cashback should show up. As stated on the website, on average, any cashback should show in the account in a day. Great. Usually, I check my account overview. So technically, it should show here in my earnings tomorrow. If I have time, I check the next day or a few days later. It's usually in the space of now and 7 days. If that doesn't show here for some reason, we can click on customer service here. And okay, I need to type password. And then we can just fill in the missing cashback claim details. I'm not gonna do that now because I've done it a few times, and at the moment I'm not missing anything. But we can see any existing claims. I have some missing cashbacks here. It's usually disputed to customer advantage, so it's nice, quick and easy. And one more thing, you can go and install cashback plugin or extension, whatever. So usually you go to your Chrome Web Store, and I have installed that, so I'm not gonna install that now. Once you click on install that, whatever retailer you look for, let's say my favorite eBay. Uh, Once you click on eBay, you see there is a pop-up here at the top of your browser. So once you click, you see that there is 1% cashback activated, available. So yeah, that's basically how it works. There are other brands. Let's say Sainsbury. I'm gonna come up with a better example. Again, the pop-up is here. Also, I don't know if you noticed in search engine, um, it says here at the top up to 11 pounds of cashback. So it's a small nifty reminder that you can get cashback here and there and make your life easier by basically not leaving this money on the table. So I hope you're gonna start using this website and saving some money.